latitudes are parallel to one another here. These two lines are parallel, these two lines are, so parallels of latitudes. So if you see closer, these latitudes are parallel to one another, and here there is a number here. This is 0 degree, next comes 10 degree, 20 degree, like that it is going, and when you come reach 90 poles, you are getting 90 degree. So each latitude is labeled with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, like that you are getting 90 degree here. Like that in south part also, the starting from 0 degree to 90 degree you are coming to the poles. Yeah, now understood about the latitudes. Now let's see some special latitudes in these on the globe. There are some special latitudes. That latitudes are the equator. First one is the equator. Special latitude, the equator. This is one latitude, special latitude. Next comes the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, and the measurement here is 23.5 north. And next comes the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 north. Next comes the North Pole, 90 degree. As I told you, it is starting from 0, next 23.5, next is 66.5. Next, when you come to the North Pole, you are finding is 90 degree north. The same way, you are in the south part also. After the equator, there is Tropic of Capricorn. Next, here 23.5 south. Next comes the Antarctic Circle, that is the 66.5 south. And next, now in the south pole you are getting 90 degree. These are special latitudes. Yeah, this is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, and South Pole. These are the special latitudes in this on the globe. Now about the longitudes. Now I told you the horizontal lines are called longitudes. Yes, the horizontal line like this, they are called longitudes. And here on beside latitudes there are also some circular lines running to the North Pole and South Pole. These lines are longitude lines. And or the meridians, they are also called, these longitudes are also called the meridians. The meridians are also imaginary lines numbered from 0 to 180. As you in the latitudes we found from 0 to 90 degree to the north and 90 degree to the south. Like that, on these longitudes are starting from 0 to 180. Their longitudes are starting from 0 to 180. When you make a circle, they are coming 180 lines are there. So how many lines are there here? 180 lines. So the prime meridian, that is 0. The prime meridian means one line which is a starting point. It is called the prime meridian. The starting line or starting longitude is called the prime meridian. It is starting from 0, and this runs to the Greenwich. This runs to the Greenwich near the London. Yes. Next, London longitude to the east of the Greenwich is called the east longitude. And this part is called the east latitude, and these parts are called the north latitudes. Sorry, longitudes. This part is called the eastern longitudes, and this side is called the northern. Western longitudes. Now, how do latitudes and longitudes help us? Yes, we talked about latitudes on that page and longitudes here. So how do they help us? How they help us? Yes, we will see here. Latitudes and longitudes help us to locate a place. Suppose you want to locate India on this. So you can find with the help of latitudes and longitudes which degree they are situated. Which degree north, which degree south, and which southern hemisphere or northern hemisphere, or the eastern longitudes or the western longitudes, you can locate a place. So this, to locate a place, these longitudes and latitudes are helpful to us. Yeah. Yes. The network of latitude and longitude drawn on a globe is called a grid. When there is this meeting point of a latitude or longitude, it is called the grid. It is called the grid. For example, when we have located a city, say Delhi, we will have to find out the latitude closer to Delhi. When we want to locate Delhi on the map, on the globe, you have to locate the latitude closer to Delhi. ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಐತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಐತಿ ಅವೆರಡು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ exact place where it is located on the globe. Yeah. Now, so we talked about globe. Yeah, globe is a model of the earth. Yes, it is having a blue part that is called the water area, and the land part which is brown color, and that water part is divided into 5 oceans, and the land part is divided into continents, 7 continents. Yes, and then we talked about the imaginary lines. The imaginary lines on the globe, the prime or the first imaginary line is the equator. Next, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere. So like that we got 2 hemispheres. Then we talked about longitudes and latitudes. So these all are the we find in this lesson, and they are parallel here. We find a parallel here. Yes. So now read the lesson at home. Read the lesson and take a new notebook, SST notebook, and start writing all the hard words. Whichever word you find hard, to write them and learn them. In the next class, I will tell you about the question answers. Yes. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope you are doing. I will check them. Yes, you write all the hard words which are tough for you, and first you write the heading, hard words or new words, and learn them. In the next class, I will tell you about the question answers and fill the blanks. Okay. Thank you, children.